Hello, I'd like to know if you have a reading kit in Shavenda, please. Ish.
Cambridge University Press, how may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to know if you have a reading kit in Shavenda, please.
Of course, let me put you through to customer services.
Yee. Huh? Huh? Ah, it's a little library. What's in a little library? A Cambridge Little Library is a kit of 12 storybooks, 12 big books of each story, 12 colorful posters, and a teacher's guide. There are 5 copies of each storybook. That's 5 times 12 storybooks? 60 readers in a kit? Quite right, Mizo. There are 3 little libraries: numeracy, literacy, and life skills. Tell them the best bit. Of course. Each kit comes in all 11 official languages of South Africa. IsiZulu? Yebo. Iculo likalizo? Setswana? Ina ya Lizo. Xitsonga? Ina. Risimu ra Lizo. All 11 languages, Mizo. These books will make my life much easier. Everybody will be able to follow the story. Yes, Little Library is a great tool for multilingual classes.
Mother tongue learning and reading is very important in foundation phase. With Little Library, learners can develop basic literacy skills through storytelling, listening, speaking, viewing, and writing, all in their own language.
The kits are CAPS-aligned, and the teacher's guide includes learning outcomes and integration across multiple learning areas for each story, as well as preparation tips, teaching tips, how to use the posters, and much more. And in each teacher's guide, every story in a kit is provided in all 11 languages. Excuse me, please.
Cambridge University Press, how may I help you?
Please, can I order 1 Little Library, literacy in English, and 1 in Shavenda? But no more elephants, ne? Order your Cambridge Little Library in any language you need today from orders@cup.co.za. You can also order the individual components of each kit to best suit your budget.